Today, we are going to learn about fun Swahili words you can use every day.
Karibu! Welcome, Rafiki! This is the Island Series Episode 2 with Pipen.
Karibu! Karibu sana! Hello, I'm Pipen, the magical kalamu!
Yes, today we're learning fun Swahili words you can use every day. Are you ready, my Rafiki, my friend? When you meet someone, you say, Jambo! Jambo! Now try this one. Habari yako? That means, how are you?
Ooh, habari!
And if you're feeling good, you say, Mzuri sana! Mzuri sana! Mzuri sana! I'm hungry! In Swahili, food is called chakula. And water is maji. If someone gives you food or water, what do you say? Perfect! Asante means thank you. Jambo habari, mzuri sana. Jambo habari, mzuri sana. Kula is for food. Maji is for water. Asante sana is thank you. My friend, if something is okay, you say sawa. Where are you going? Home! In Swahili, home is nyumbani. Rafiki! What does asante mean? Thank you! Pipen, this was fun! And we learned Swahili together. Like, subscribe, and learn with us again. Kwaheri! Bye! Kwaheri!